Good morning. Anmol classes welcomes you in the induction program for B.Tech first year students. As you are knowing that for students you are having three resources. First one is your academic calendar. This is your academic calendar. Second resource is your syllabus. So this is your syllabus. And third resource is your academic regulation. So we have discussed about your academic calendar and your syllabus in the previous video. Now we are focusing on this your academic regulation. In academic regulation, we have already covered that what are the different subject you are having. So as you are knowing that you will be having your foundation course, elective course, then you will be having in a core course you will be having a professional elective, you will be having, say, in elective course you are having professional elective and open elective. Now three more topics are remaining in your academic regulation. First you will be having the attendance regulation. Now let us see that what is the attendance requirement as per your JNTUH. So Jawaharlal Nehru University, it has made some guidelines related to attendance. Now let us see that what these guidelines are. As per the guidelines of the university, a student shall be eligible to appear for the semester end examination if student acquires a minimum of 75% of aggregate attendance of all the courses for that semester. So in one semester, you need to have minimum 75% attendance. Second, it is telling that shortage of attendance in aggregate up to 10% means if a student is having attendance between 65% and between 75%. So in this range, if the student is having the attendance, then there may be condonation by the college academic committee on a genuine and valid ground based on the students representation with the supporting documents. Means if you are having attendance less than 75% but more than 65%, by showing the medical certificate on the medical ground, you will be eligible for your semester end examination. But as per the university rule, they are telling that shortage of attendance below 65% in aggregate shall in no case be condoned. Means if you are having a less than 65% aggregate attendance in one semester, you will not be eligible for writing your semester end examination. So this is the your attendance requirement guidelines framed by the university. For more details, you can contact to your college administration. They will be telling you the details that what are the rule regulations that they are following. But it is advisable for you all students that you should maintain minimum 75% of aggregate attendance so as to being some other problem. So it is better to have more than 75% attendance so that you will be safe. The next important topic is distribution of marks and evaluation. So if we are considering one theory course, in that theory course you will be having a two mid-term examination. So you will be having first course of instruction, then you will be having a second course of instruction, and you will be having a first midterm and you will be having second midterm. So in one semester you will be having two midterm. So here you see in your academic calendar you are having first spell of instruction, this is your second spell of instruction, and in between you will be having first midterm exam, and after second spell of instruction you will be having a second midterm exam. Means in one semester for one subject you will be having a two midterm examination. Now if we are seeing your midterm examination, in your midterm examination it will be of 30 marks. In these 30 marks you will be having two parts. Part A, it is of 10 marks, and part B, it is of 20 marks. In part A, you will be having objective or quiz paper, and in part B, you will be having descriptive paper for 20 marks. So part A 10 marks, part B 20 marks, total it is 30 marks. So objective or quiz paper is set with multiple choice, fill in the blanks, and match the following type of questions. So it depends upon your concerned faculty member that is dealing with that particular course, that he will be in a position to tell you that which type of objective he is setting. Now let us go for your descriptive paper. In descriptive paper, you will be having 6 questions, out of which a student has to answer 4 questions. So each question carrying 5 marks. So in your part B, out of 6 questions, you need to attempt any 4, and each question carry 5 marks. So you will be having this 4 into 5, that is 20 marks, and part A 10 marks. So total it is coming your 30 marks. Now this is for your mid one. Same you will be having in case of your second mid also. And for the evaluation purpose, the average of the two will be taken care. So the average of 2 midterm exam shall be taken as the final marks for midterm examination for 30 marks. So for one course you will be having this midterm examination, and it is of 30 marks. This 30 marks will be the average of your 2 midterm examination marks that you got. Apart from this 30 marks, you will be having 10 marks. This 10 marks is for continuous internal evaluation. So in this continuous internal evaluation, you will be having 5 marks for the assignment. So student shall submit 2 assignments, and the average of the 2 assignments each for 5 marks shall be taken. Means in your midterm average is there. Similarly in your assignment also you will be having the average, and 5 marks you will be having for Viva OS, PPT, poster presentation, case study on a topic in the concerned subject. This assessment shall be completed before second midterm examination. This means that 5 marks of assignment and 5 marks for your this evaluation assessment, it will be taken care by your college committee only. So these 10 marks is there under the college, and your 30 marks you will be having from the midterm examination, and your final semester examination, it will be of your 60 marks. So 30 marks for your midterm, 10 marks for your continuous evaluation, and 60 marks it is for your semester end examination. If you are seeing your theory course, in theory course you will be having a part A and part B. Part A is of 10 marks and part B it is of 50 marks. So part A is compulsory, consists of 5 short answer question covering all units of syllabus. Each question carries 2 marks, and part B consists of 5 questions carrying 10 marks each. There shall be 2 questions asked in question paper from each unit with either or choice, and the student should answer either of the 2 questions. The student shall answer 1 question from each 5 units. Means part A is compulsory, 5 questions, 2 marks each, 10 marks total. Part B, here you will be having from each unit 2 questions will be there, and internal you will be having choice. So you need to appear any one of the question from each unit. So all the 5 unit you should go through. Then only you can able to attempt all the questions from your part B. And your part A 10 marks, part B 50 marks. and in your mid you will be having 30 marks, and 10 marks is of your continuous evaluation. Next, we'll go for seeing the promotion rule. Now let us see one more important parameter, that is your promotion rules. So promotion rule, first you are having a student from first year first semester to first year second semester. So regular course of study of first year first semester and fulfill of attendance requirement. A student from first year first semester, he will be promoted to first year second semester. Only the requirement is he should fulfill the attendance requirement. Attendance requirement means minimum 75% of attendance. Second, first year second semester to second year first semester. So this is important. A student will be able to promote from first year second semester to second year first semester. Here regular course of study of a first year second semester and fulfill of attendance requirement, that is 75% attendance, and must have secured at least 25% of the total credits up to first year second semester from all relevant regular and supplementary examination. So as you are knowing that in your first year first semester you will be having 20 credits, and first year second semester you will be having 20 credits. So total you are having 40 credits. So in this 40 credits the student should secure at least 25 credit, 25% credit. 25% credit means out of 40 credits the student should able to have 10 credits. Then second year first semester to second year second semester. So here only attendance requirement is there. Second year second semester to third year first semester. This is important. From second year second semester to third year, here regular course of study and fulfillment of attendance requirement, and second it is telling must have secured at least 25% of the total credits up to second year second semester. So if you are seeing in your second year first semester you are having 22 credits, and second year second semester you will be having 20 credits. So you will be having 20 plus 20 plus 22 plus 20. Total you are having 42 credits. In 42 credits, if the student is getting at least 20.1, say 20.5 means we can say it as 21 credit. If the student is getting 21 credit, the student can easily be promoted to your third year first semester. And if we are seeing for third year first semester to third year second semester, third year second semester to fourth year first semester, and fourth year first semester to fourth year second semester, here only requirement is fulfillment of attendance, that is the student should have at least 75% attendance. So this only. So the student should focus on only two things. First one is promotion from first year second semester to second year first semester, and promotion from second year second semester to third year first semester. Here 25% credit, 25% credit means minimum 10 credits, and here also 25% credit, that is your 21 credits. And for remaining course just only requirement is attendance, that is 75% attendance requirement. Okay, thank you all for attending this induction program. Once again, Anmol classes welcomes you. Thank you.